As we look back on this year, may you see God's faithfulness and celebrate with joy what God has done for all of us. May the light of Messiah fill your heart in this season as we thank God for the greatest gift He has ever given us.